In this lesson, we're going to begin learning about inventor parts creating. In the last lesson, we created drawing 1A, and we're going to look at some of the things that are important as we create parts. Two important items in the final part are dimensions and constraints. These are necessary to capture the design intent of the creator. In Inventor, we have a relationship that comes in between items and lines, and it's called constraints. The idea that geometry within Autodesk Inventor behaves differently depends on the constraints that are applied is one that often hinders new users transitioning from a 2D drawing application. Within Autodesk Inventor's 2D sketch environment, constraints are inferred between lines, arcs, and other geometry while the geometry is being created. Constraints can also be manually applied to alter the relationship between geometry after the sketch geometry exists. These geometric constraints allow the subsequent editing of the sketch with predictable results. For example, dragging the endpoint of a line that is constrained to be perpendicular to another line does not change the perpendicularity. Some of the type constraints that we use in solid modeling, not just Inventor, are perpendicular, tangent, coincident, collinear, horizontal, parallel, smooth, concentric, equal, vertical, symmetric, fixed, reference, patterns. We're going to begin looking at using or applying constraints that are not automatically created as you create your part.